What are we going to do today, Luch?
Same thing we do every day, Dorito. Build a Tao Tao Db14.
Let's get on with it then.
Shall we?
Boy! What's going on, YouTube? Dorito Luch Cabre here. Luch Cabre is back, so...
You know, it's been a while, but it's good to be back, people. Nice to see each and every one of you. And today we got another special build coming your way. It's this beautiful black and white Tao Tao Db14, people. It's a gorgeous little bike. It would be perfect for the little Luch in your life. So, without any further ado, let's get on with this, shall we? Oh, that hurt me. I'm sorry, people. So, without any further ado, let's unwrap this beast and see what we can come up with, all right? So, let's take off the little stuff first, like the little front tire that's holding it on here. It's a plastic strap, and make sure that you dispose of it properly. Right? Recycle, people. Another quality piece, it's round. If you remember back a few videos, the tire we got wasn't even round. This one's round, people. It will conquer a trail. All right, now, we'll put this on the side for later use. All right, guys, here we go back. We've taken all the little incidentals off the straps and taken the liberty of taking the axle nut off and put it over to the side for future use. Now we're going to lift this beast off onto our bucket, always remembering safety first. So we'll have our grunt onion Dorito lift it up just a little bit, and we'll take out the front axle and put it.
I got it.
He's got it. He says he's got it, people. All right. There we have it. Nice and sturdy. Save your axle for later. You'll need it. Beautiful piece once you get it unpackaged.
Okay, we got to get our Allens to pull the gooseneck to set the bars. Then we're going to change the oil as well, and adjust everything. Do the Loctite. Get that all done. So
Don't forget Loctite.
We'll get right back with you guys.
Oh yeah. Oh, we're up and rolling again. All right, people, welcome back. All right, we've got our stuff getting torn apart here.
Give me the Allen.
Who's Allen?
The Allen wrench.
Who's Allen Wrench?
The Allen wrench.
I thought Kato was our sidekick now. Ah, that's what the people want to see, not that. Okay, here's your Allen Wrench.
Thank you.
I don't know who that guy is. You know, but speaking of Kato, I wanted to talk to you a little bit about Kato, you know. We've been missing Kato around here. He's only made a brief appearance. I think we need to get him involved just a little bit more. And by the way, what the heck kind of name is Kato anyways? Let me tell you what kind of name Kato is. Okay, people, now we gotta take this lever and put the brake on.
What kind of name is Kato?
What? Okay, what do we need to do? Are we ready for this yet?
Sure, why not? Go ahead. I'm actually pulling the bars.
All right. People, we got a brake assembly here, which is very important, which has a bunch of cotter pins in it. I don't know if any of you are as old as the Luch is, but there used to be a show on called Welcome Back, Kotter. Welcome Back, Kotter was all about the cotter pin. This guy took cotter pins and took a bunch of kids and forced them into slave labor making cotter pins. And they made a sitcom about it. It's really funny. You should watch it. What's so funny?
You. Luch is back.
Okay, people. I'm feeling great, too. Thanks for asking. Okay. You know, I don't think we'll be able to get this together on the bucket. That's going to have to come later. We've taken the liberty of pre-installing our Loctite, people, by Perma-Tax. You want the original, people, because it's Perma-Tax. For all of you in Texas, welcome back. We appreciate all of you. Lone Star State. All right, now. What are we going to do here? We're going to install the bars, the handlebars. Because we can't ride this Tao Tao with no handlebars.
No handlebars.
No handlebars. You know, I think that's the last time we're going to use that reference because it's just not funny anymore. All right. Now I'm putting these nuts on those screws.
Did you already put the Loctite on those nuts?
Weren't you here when I said we pre-installed the Loctite
on those nuts.
Those! Thank you. Now, people,
Let's get on with it.
shall we? Alright, so, because we're lazy here at Dorito on the Lucha Cabre, there's this two-man job. You might want to do it yourself if you don't trust your partner, but here, oh no, this is how we do it.
Otra vez, otra vez.
That's all he's got there, people. We don't want to go too far. We want to tighten it up by hand.
Let's go ahead and get that done. And Lucha, go ahead and start putting on the rim and the brake while I tighten up that.
That looks about straight. All right, here you go. We'll go over here to our parts pile.
Give me that Allen wrench, will you, sir?
I don't know this guy Alan you keep talking about,
There it is. I got it. Thank you.
but I'd sure like to meet him. Alan, if you're out there, leave some comments in our section, okay?
Fan
Because-
1701.
Wait a minute! I'm putting 2 and 2 together, and even I can come up with 5. All right. Now we're putting on the front tire. You got to remember, you got the brake, caliper, and pads, and then you got the brake rotor, people. And they all have to go together. So you got to be real careful to align the front tire. So what we need to do is go back and get our axle and spacers. And then we use the axle nut that's
That nut?
supplied. This axle nut. Not those nuts! So,
Welcome back, bruh.
you know, it's been a long, hard journey. But it's good to be back. Even for you, left cam. Now,
Left cam wasn't around before.
you know, it's nice to see different faces. We have two different size spacers here. Can you see that, left cam? I'm only going to show you. You can share with the rest of the class. So what's going to happen here is you got to decide which way it goes. I only got 2 hands, people. The bigger spacer, people, goes on the brake side. So you want to insert the spacer on the shaft and then through the bearings. Making sure you cut out the other side. Alright! We've got it through now! Isn't that right, Cam?
There you go, cheese and sides, man.
You know, I like everyone equally. As much as the next guy, I guess. Alright. Dab the Loctite, people. We always need Loctite. You don't want stuff flying apart while you're cruising down the trails. Before you tighten everything up, you want to make sure everything rotates. And look, that front wheel has a nice wobble to it, so we should get going good on that brake. Look at that! Spins freely. We got our front tire and brake assembly
You want to check
together.
the tightness of the,
This is pretty tight.
check the height of the handlebars, make sure you're comfortable with that.
Sure!
And check the tightness. I just want to make sure you're comfortable with it, because for a little person, the height and the way the bars are for somebody your height.
For somebody my height,
Yeah.
you better watch your kneecaps, pal, because I will bite them. You know what? These sound great. They feel great, too. I wonder how they taste. All right, that's tight. Like the German version, Guten tight.
We're gonna, now that we got the handlebars on, we got the wheel tightened, everything like that, we're gonna go ahead and lift this off, move the bucket out of the way, and move the tools on so I can get the oil changed on it, alright?
Now we can take care of the rest of the stuff on the ground that you can see. It's just perfectly Luch sized. We have the front fender to put on, also known as the high-ally flinger. What?
Highlight paddle.
Paddle! High-ally paddle. And we got our number, which on this one happens to coincide to 14. And I've got a brake pedal to put on.
Well, there's another thing too, John 1701, he got his son one of these.
That's a lucky kid right there. Fan's a great dad. And a good subscriber, too.
He said something about taking the carburetor, you gotta blow into the crankcase. to make sure that it's not clogged up. So,
Whoa, I didn't sign up for any of that.
no, I'll go ahead and do it.
Good thing we've got you. What I'm going to do, people, is take this brake assembly and install that. Because it's important that we have a rear brake also. So, it comes equipped with a pedal and the hardware that we took off earlier. So what you need to do, stick the pedal on there and line it up with the hole in the brake caliper rod. And then you'll take your clevis pin and stick it through the hole to where it extends out. Now, you can take your cotter pin, which we talked about earlier, about that 70s sitcom, Welcome Back cotter pin. We stick it in the hole. Oh, we stick it in the hole.
Do me a favor, pull that,
Pull my finger!
pull the oil-filled dipstick, please.
Oh, yeah. He's created vapor lock, people. Watch this.
No, not yet.
No!
Good to go.
Why aren't we seeing anything coming out?
No, nothing. There's air coming through. Perfect.
This is for another episode. Anyways.
Got that. So we blew into the crankcase line there. Got it for you, Luch.
Was that the breeze I felt coming through?
Yes, it was.
He's got strong lips.
That's
Or
right.
would that be strong lungs?
Lungs.
Lungs! Alright, we've got that one tight. There's also the same setup on the brake pedal itself. Alright? So we take the washer that we took off previously and the cotter pin and stick it all back together.
Oops, it's a little bit bigger. Here, put that drain.
No one's ever said that to you before, have they, Dorito?
Not much.
No, I didn't think so.
Yeah, no.
Alright. We bend the clevis pin over again, cotter pin over again, and there you have it. A brake pedal. Now then, it also comes equipped with this spring. It's a return spring. You don't want your brakes dragging, so you gotta put the return spring on. And that goes right over here in the return spring. There we go, people. Got the spring on, so now it returns. Rapid fire.
Okay, drain plug. So we're pulling the drain plug, gonna drain the oil out. Hey, Luch, do me a favor, will you? Can you put this toolkit up there? It's so custom that I don't want to lose it.
This is high quality tools, people. You'll want to take it with you on the trail just in case something breaks. Not that anything's going to break on this high quality piece.
You
We
never
love
know.
Tao Tao.
Thank you, Tao Tao.
You're our favorite, Tao Tao.
And by the way,
America! They follow us everywhere too.
let's go ahead and get this oil dropped real quick.
He's going to drop some oil.
You wanna slap
Hopefully
it?
not all over the ground.
There's the fenders there if you want to.
I'm going to come over here and take a look at this fender we got going here.
You get a rag.
I knew you made a mess.
No. Not much of it. No.
Now then!
You got to do your Loctite, right? Where's your Loctite guy?
Hold on. I'm going to start a bolt first, so I don't have to have Loctite dribbling down me.
Let's stand this up real quick.
Now that it's up there, it'll be easier, see? So I just put a drop on there. And we're good to go.
And now that we're draining the oil, we don't know if we want to mess with Luch Bike.
You know, it doesn't matter if you want to, because I can work
with no
with
handlebar.
monkeys, with kids, any kind of animal.
Call in, let us know.
It doesn't bother me. I'll sit here and pretend I'm screwing this in and not look stupid.
Okay, so it looks like we're almost out of the oil there.
All right, there we have the proper sizes. Ow! Crap!
Okay, so we got the drain plug snugged up for now. We'll get the ratchet from Luch Bike in a second. We're going to go ahead and fill this oil up. I'm going to fill it up to 3/4 quart, and then we'll check it from there. So would you say that would be fine there, Luch?
I don't know.
What you think of this thing? You think it's cool?
You know, it looks pretty neat. Looks almost like, oh, maybe like an Oakland Raider bike. Can we say that?
Sure.
We are in no way, shape, or record form endorsing the Oakland Raiders. Okay, people? There's a funny story what happened in the Oakland training camp. The police were called, see, because the training facility saw something on the field they never saw before. It was a strange white powder toward the end zone. So the forensics was called, and they determined it to be the end zone, the touchdown line. And no one in the organization had ever seen that before. So we are not endorsing the Oakland Raiders whatsoever. Wow! Here, you need this? Tighten that nut.
Sure, why not? Okay, let's go ahead and set the dipstick in there for a second. Do you want to get the the custom DB14? Yeah.
No!
Okay, we got that snugged up.
We're just snugging all the rest of our front stuff up here, making sure it all looks good.
Okay, and we filled up the oil. We're going to go ahead and stand it straight up and check the oil level. We want to make sure that you see this. So let's get on with it.
Shall we?
So how you been, Luch?
You know, I've been a little under the weather for a while. The weather's been kind of over me. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You ever find the Loch Ness Monster there with the scout duck?
You know, he's eluded me, but I still got the scout duck. It's very important in the wanderings, which you people will be seeing more of later on. I hope you enjoy the wanderings, because I'm an outdoorsy kind of guy. I like small fur-bearing animals. You know, squirrels, rabbits, beavers. I love beavers. Beavers are nature's builder, you know. They build a lot. Dams.
Some zip ties for you.
Zip ties. What are you trying to tell me? To zip it?
To zip whatever? No, zip up whatever needs to be zipped up.
Well, let's zip it, shall we?
Sure, we shall.
Shall we?
Okay. So we got the oil in there. It's a little bit under a quart. We're going to go ahead and give this thing a start in a second. Get some fuel in it. Get it started, and we'll go from there.
You want to make sure all this stuff is tied up out of the way. You don't want to catch it on no branches or flying squirrels or anything else that may be protruding out in your way.
Squirrel!
Where? All right. Maybe if you got some scissors or some diagonal cutters, we can cut that off later.
We got scissors. Here you go, Luch. Here, wait, let's get the tag off here.
You don't want to give your wife a present with the tag on it, do you?
Yeah, no, I wouldn't like to give it to my wife with the tag on it.
All right, people. We're looking really good. Protective coating.
Yep.
We've talked about it in the past, people, and protective coating is always important. Why? Because we have a saying here
What's
at
that?
Dorito and Luchacabra. It's wrap your meat before you seat your meat. That way, you're always protected wherever you go. So let's peel off the protective coating to expose underneath beautiful stickers.
Oh, this does look pretty cool, black and white like that. What do you think, Luch?
I like it!
Yeah, it's pretty cool, huh?
And you know, the neat thing about this protective wrapping, after you get it off and you ball it up in a little wad, you can throw it at your partner!
And we mean partner as in friends?
No, we're life partners! I'm even going to be included on his health insurance! But trust me, people, here in America, health insurance ain't worth a crap. Not even the paper it's written on. But anyways, back to this! Alright. You got all yours off, pal?
No.
Let me help you!
Why don't you get the 14 one off there?
Don't tell me what to do! Alright, this should be fun, Bill. Nothing to laugh at. Gas is very dangerous. But Dorito's gonna fill it up now.
Hopefully we don't have a leaky pitcock or anything.
He said petcock!
Here, hold this, will you?
I hope it's not a petcock.
We're just going to get a little bit in there before...
Check for leaks, people. Very important.
Yep.
One time we didn't check for leaks, and it leaked! Go figure. Turn the gas on. Right. I'm just testing you. You passed. You want to leave the warning sticker on there?
Sure. Or no?
Damn.
Don't leave the warning and the made in China stickers on it. Okay, so don't see any leaks from anywhere. Yep, no leak, okay. Good to go so far. Let me have that gas cap.
Good to go. Oh, what? Oh, we're back on. Here you go.
Okay, don't see any gas leaks or anything like that, so let's get the gas cap on and give it a start real quick.
Start it up!
Check it out. Make sure the switch is on. I don't see a key like the DB14 has. You want to kickstart it, Luch?
No!
Okay, well, let's give this a try. Let's turn on the choke. Is there a choke on this thing? Why, yes, there is. It's on the other side.
You can't find it. Dial 1-800-CHOKA-HUB.
Here we go.
It fires right up! Listen to it purr, people.
Stall. Yeah.
Here, I got you a hat.
What do you think?
Very suitable for your preteen.
Good for short people, don't you find?
You know, I'm no Jolly Green Giant, but sure.
Cool. All right. Let's go ahead and shut it off and maybe get you in a helmet.
I don't want to shut it off. I want to sit here for a while. This feels good.
Yeah. No, we don't have to ventilate, so let's shut this off, shall we?
You know, people, let me tell you a story.
No.
It's,
Thank you, Jesus. Yes. All right. So we'll get back to you guys.
We do not condone the use of fumes here at Dorito and the Luch Bike. Cheesy riding Luch coming at you live. Nice.
Let's get on with it, shall we? He doesn't even know it's his yet. There's a truck right there.
Hey man, let's cover it!
So you still get used to the gears. And there we go. All right, guys, so there you have it. See the Luch in a helmet, seen him with his riding mask, got the DB14. What do you think of it, Luch?
You know, this is a neat little bike. Don't let its small, compact size fool you, because it packs a wallop.
But it fits smaller people.
It's good for the little guys, and it's a good bike because it's got a lot of torque, a lot of power, and it really gets up. It's not a clutch bike, so you don't got to worry about putting in the clutch to shift it. It's just an automatic, hit the lever and off you go. Great for a learner's bike. I can't say enough good stuff about this bike, people.
So you like it?
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Well, guess what? It's yours, Luch.
What?
Yeah,
No way, man.
Yep, I got that for you. Bro.
Really? I feel like a big guy on this little bike. You know that? Hey.
Well, I figured the 17 was a little bit too big for him.
Anything more than a 9, I have trouble with.
So, you know, and they didn't make 2s, so we had to give that to him. So
This
anyway,
is amazing.
I want to give a big shout out to Rasta B. He did something for us. We're going to be revealing that on
Brother,
live
you're
stream
awesome.
today.
You rock, Rasta B.
And this
So
shout
like and
out-
subscribe his channel, people.
Yep, and this is shout out straight out to Rasta B. Also, too, want to thank Jim over at Superior Power Sports.
Superior
He made
Power
this-
Sports.
He made this happen for me.
Not enough good I can say about these people.
Be sure to check out Jim at SuperiorPowersports.com and check him out. Tell him Dorito Luch Bike sent you.
Love those guys.
But anyways, so there you go, Luch. You got something to ride.
Awesome. Christmas in August, people. Who could ask for more?
So Anyways, you all have a good one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and like button and Luch.
Rock on, people! Rock on!